Happy Saturday. Welcome back to Gray Bear Garage. Today's project, I'm working on getting my cooling system all buttoned up here. Um, got these two fans that are from, I don't remember what year, 90s Ford Windstar van. Both of them together, I think, push like 4,300 CFM. So they move a lot of air, and they're cheap. That set fits perfectly on my radiator. Aside from had to cut out, make a couple modifications, but for the most part, it was pretty easy. And for like 85, $90, I think, brand new. Um, so other things I'm getting here, had the space out the top of the radiator. It's got the little, the stock rubber grips there, but it was still leaning way too low to actually get a good grip on it. So I also had to space out the radiator itself a little bit, make sure it wasn't going to slam back against the floor or into my transmission cooler. So, because that would suck. So what I have is I got these rubber blocks that you can buy for they go on top of jacks, basically, space between a jack and whatever. They're these blocks right here. I think they're like, got a 6-pack of them on Amazon for like, I don't know, $15 maybe. It was more than 6 pack. Anyway, they make great spacers. You can cut these things down, trim whatever you need. I basically cut one of these in half, and I used each side, and I actually have them up under here between this and the radiator. And that, when you tighten it down, it's got the keeps the pressure down on the radiator, so it doesn't shift around. I mean, it's not even tightened down yet. That thing ain't moving. So I need to get all this hooked up, get these top bolts tightened down. I've got my, Red Deck Engineering bracket that I made, and it seems to work pretty good. And then I've got the two smaller brackets that'll go up underneath to hold the bottom of it. One mount to the bottom of the fan shroud, and the other one's going to mount up through the bottom of the core support there. So things should go together pretty nicely, and we'll see how it goes. Well, I'm up under here working on my redneck bracketry that I made. This to hold my lower part of the fan shroud. It's a piece of flat stock that I cut, bent, drilled a couple holes. Only thing is, I'm obviously not going to be able to get a wrench on there to tighten down, but I think I can manage to get it tightened down, throw some Loctite on there, and go on the other side over there somewhere. Once that's in there, you'd be hard-pressed to even know that that's not straight from the factory. Sure.